Welcome to our channel. Activating your Citi Rewards card opens the door to earning points on every purchase. Step 1. Locate the activation sticker on your new Citi Rewards card that includes activation instructions. Step 2. Visit citi.com in a web browser or call the activation phone number provided with your card. Step 3. If activating online, navigate to the card activation section on the Citi website. Step 4. Enter your complete 16-digit card number in the field provided. Step 5. Provide verification information, such as your social security number, last 4 digits, and date of birth. Step 6. If you're a new Citi customer, create an online account by setting up a username and password. Step 7. If you're an existing customer, log in with your current Citi online credentials. Step 8. Review the terms and conditions of your Citi Rewards card program. Step 9. Set up a PIN for your card by choosing a 4-digit number that's secure but memorable. Step 10. Submit your activation request and wait for confirmation. Step 11. Sign the back of your card with a permanent marker immediately. Step 12. Familiarize yourself with how you earn points, including bonus categories and earning rates. Step 13. Start using your Citi Rewards card for purchases to accumulate points automatically. Step 14. Log into your Citi account online to track your points balance and explore redemption options. Step 15. Redeem points for travel, gift cards, cashback, or statement credits. Your Citi Rewards card is now active and earning valuable rewards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.